What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you have children?
No, I don't have children.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
How do you spend your free time?
I like to read books.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do in the morning?
I have breakfast and go to work.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast for breakfast.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you exercise? What do you do?
Yes, I go for a run every morning.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV about 2 hours a day.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym twice a week.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax and watch a movie.
How do you relax?
I relax by listening to music.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I drink coffee in the morning.
Do you prefer working or studying?
I prefer working.
What is your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day of the week is Saturday.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12:30 p.m.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home sometimes.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends with friends or family.
What chores do you have to do at home?
I clean the house and do laundry.
How often do you check social media?
I check social media once a day.
What do you do before going to sleep?
I read a book before going to sleep.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a month.
Do you prefer online shopping or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping.
What is the most expensive thing you have bought?
The most expensive thing I bought was a laptop.
What is your favorite store?
My favorite store is H&M.
Do you like to shop for clothes?
Yes, I love shopping for clothes.
How often do you buy groceries?
I buy groceries twice a week.
Do you use cash or card?
I usually use my card.
Do you ever use coupons?
Yes, I use coupons sometimes.
Do you like to save money?
Yes, I try to save money every month.
What do you spend most of your money on?
I spend most of my money on food.
What is something you want to buy?
I want to buy a new phone.
Do you compare prices before buying something?
Yes, I always compare prices before buying.
How often do you go to the mall?
I go to the mall about once a month.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is a sushi place near my house.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, I like fast food, especially burgers.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out about once a week.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning and tea in the evening.
How often do you eat vegetables?
I eat vegetables with every meal.
Do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I have a sweet tooth.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What is your least favorite food?
I don't like broccoli.
Have you ever tried foreign food?
Yes, I have tried Italian and Chinese food.
Do you like to try new recipes?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
How often do you cook at home?
I cook at home almost every day.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have traveled to Canada.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Paris.
How do you usually travel? Plane, car, train, etc.
I usually travel by car.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like to travel by plane.
Have you ever taken a train?
Yes, I have taken a train before.
Do you prefer to travel alone or with others?
I prefer to travel with others.
What is your dream destination?
My dream destination is Japan.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, I love road trips.
What was your last vacation like?
My last vacation was relaxing and fun.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like hot or cold weather?
I like warm weather.
How is the weather today?
The weather today is sunny and warm.
What do you do on rainy days?
On rainy days, I like to stay inside and watch movies.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
What do you wear in the winter?
I wear a coat, scarf, and gloves in the winter.
How do you stay cool in the summer?
I stay cool by drinking cold water and staying indoors.
What is the weather like in your country?
The weather in my country is usually hot and humid.
Do you like thunderstorms?
No, I don't like thunderstorms.
Do you enjoy the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
What do you do for work?
I work as an accountant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
How many hours do you work per week?
I work 40 hours a week.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study biology.
Do you like school?
Yes, I enjoy school.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
Do you prefer working alone or with a team?
I prefer working with a team.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.